Loosen the braces and take out the nylon rod. Remove the 3 screws which lock the mold head. Then you can draw out the nylon rod. Take out the brackets from 2 sides. You need spanner and hex wrench at the same time to remove the screws on the robot hand. Remove screws on another side by the same method. Pull out the oil pipe from the mold head. After having removed the screws from the mold head, you can take out the mold head. Remove the feeding paper shaft. Adjust the step button, let the robot hand open just like in the video. Loosen the fixed sheet iron and take it out. You can take out the robot hand and the fixed ring at the top by a slight knock. Adjust the step button, make the nylon head which is used to flip the cup to a suitable position. It can be taken out after having loosened screws. Now we have completed the disassembly of the mold head part.